Pandemic has brought the world to a standstill. For this reason, the University of the Gambia students are now having their lessons online. News got to the Fatu Network that these students are struggling with their online classes. For this reason, we are here to talk to the students and see how they are going through with the online classes.
Yeah, it is very horrible. And then we went through rigorous studies, in this online, And then some students, they have, good networks, others have bad networks, so we find it very difficult anyway. It was not easy. So we are now coming to face exams and people are really struggling. And as you can see, everybody's reading, Yeah.
Actually, the online classes is, I can say it's not that very bad. The only difficulties that people encounter or I encounter is most of the time it's a first of its kind, So in most cases, things like that, most of the time people encounter some issues there. Issues like people not receiving their internet mega bundles on time, and also sometimes network problems, right? And like I said, it's a first of its kind, so it gives people a little bit challenges.
The online classes was, very challenging, and especially, due to network issues and the fluctuations of electricity and others. Because the networks are not much strong in certain areas, and due to the poor network and the electricity, and the online lectures normally consume a lot of batteries, and we have facing certain challenges and when we are supposed to have certain lectures, sometimes even the lecturers itself, the area where he is, he's not having electricity, so probably sometimes the class that we're supposed to have at least for 2 hours normally it's only take 30 minutes. And that's why we were advocating for at least to have 2 weeks of direct contact with our lecturers, so that certain things that have been lost through the online classes, so that we can recover them and prepare for the exams. But there was an argument on that issues about the exams and others. But it will be very, very difficult, especially because and they have to consider, and there are certain people here in the university. I have a friend of mine too who is about that area, because for him hearing sometimes, it is do take him a problem. Through his online classes, he's not understanding nothing indeed, absolutely. And they have to consider all those factors.
Abdu Jaju is a first-year student, and he argued on the scheduled date of the upcoming exams.
I was not expecting that we'll be conducting exam right now, but there is no other way. We have to do it. That's what they said. Yeah, because they have spent a lot on it, and they cannot let it go like that. Yeah, I'm going to find it tough. Yeah, because normally online class we face a lot of challenges in terms of network. That's a very big challenge. Most of the students are complaining. So if that's the fact, definitely we are going to face a lot of challenges. Yeah, and I don't know why. Hopefully, it could be results would be okay, but I'm not too sure.
The students of the University of the Gambia argue that this is the first time they are going through an online classes, and as a result, it is not been easy on them. Fatu Kamara reporting for the Fatu Network News Review.